Hurricane Potentials by Cantwell T. Power. Hurricanes. Hurricanes are the most violent storms on Earth. They form near the equator, over warm waters. Actually, the term hurricane is used for only large storms over the Atlantic Ocean or Eastern Pacific Ocean. The generic scientific term for these giant storms are tropical cyclones. Other names are dependent on where in the world they are born. Typhoons, cyclones, several tropical cyclones, or several cyclonic storms. Wherever they are called, they have the same force and condition at work in these forming giant storms, any of which can cause damage or devastation when they land where people live. Tropical cyclones are like engines that require moist, warm air as fuel, so the first ingredient for a tropical cyclone is warm water. That is why tropical cyclones form only in the tropical region, where oceans is at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit, for at least the top 50 meters above 165 feet below surface. A second ingredient for a tropical cyclone is wind. In case of a hurricane that forms in the Atlantic Ocean, the wind blowing westward across the Atlantic from Africa, providing a necessary ingredient as wind passes over the surface of the ocean, evaporating and turning into water vapor, and rises. As it rises, the water vapor cools and condenses back into a large water vapor, or a large droplet, forming large cumulonimbus clouds. This is just beginning. So be aware that in 2019, scientists would have done a project so that we could evacuate citizens before about 20 days or 10 days before any disasters. They're still working on it till this day. Now let's get into categories. Category 1 storms have wind speed around 74 miles per hour to 95 miles per hour. The damage is minimal, but Category 2 storm is around, the wind speed is around 96 to 110 miles per hour. Moderate. The damage is moderate. Category 3. Wind speed is around 111 miles per hour to 129 miles per hour. The damage is extensive. Category 4. Wind speed around 130 miles per hour to 153 miles per hour. Category 5. 157 or higher, catastrophic damage by landfall. Storm surges can rise up to 20 feet in the air or more. Irma has a storm surge up to 25 feet in the air. Max height. Category 2. Category 5. Wind speed 190 miles per hour. Harvey. Category 3. Storm surge 35 feet in the air. Katrina. 2005. Storm surge 27 feet in the air. Damage. Cost $75 billion. 2008. Hurricane Ike, Texas. Storm surge 20 feet. Damage $19.3 billion. Killed 94 people. 2012. Hurricane Sandy. Country including United States, damage up to $75 billion. That's all.